Plank. It's a deceptively simple exercise, isn't it? You start off on your hands and toes, body straight as a board, holding yourself up off the ground. It looks easy enough, but oh, how it can make your muscles scream. They say it's one of the best exercises for building a strong core. And let me tell you, they're not kidding. When you first attempt a plank, it's like your body is at war with itself. Your arms shake, your abs burn, and your legs feel like they might give out at any moment. But you push through the discomfort because you know that this exercise is worth it. You know that with each second you hold that position, you're getting stronger. You're building a foundation of steel within your body. And as you continue to practice planks, something amazing happens. Your body starts to adapt. Your muscles grow accustomed to the strain. And suddenly, what once felt impossible becomes achievable. You find yourself holding the plank for longer and longer periods, feeling the burn, but embracing it as a sign of progress. But it's not just your physical strength that grows with planks. It's your mental strength, too. Because, let me tell you, planks are as much a test of your mind as they are of your body. When you're in that position, seconds feel like minutes, and minutes feel like hours. It's easy to give in to the voice in your head that says, "I can't do this anymore." But you don't. You push past the doubt, the discomfort, the urge to quit. You push past it all because you know that on the other side of that pain is strength. And that's the beauty of planks. They teach you resilience. They teach you discipline. They teach you that growth doesn't come from staying in your comfort zone, but from pushing yourself beyond it. They teach you that strength isn't just about how much weight you can lift or how fast you can run. It's about the power you hold within yourself, the power to overcome obstacles, to push through challenges, to become the best version of yourself. So the next time you find yourself face to face with a plank, embrace it. Embrace the burn, the shake, the struggle. Embrace it all because on the other side of that discomfort lies a stronger, more resilient you. Plank not just for the physical benefits, but for the mental fortitude it builds. Plank not just for today, but for the person you'll become tomorrow. Plank and watch yourself grow stronger, inside and out.